What's up guys, this is Mr. Erdogan. You're watching Music with Mr. Erdogan. Today we're going to be learning the classic song, Lightly Row. Now what you just heard was the entire version of Lightly Row, with the lead and harmony playing together. Now this song may actually look a little complicated, but it's really not. The only hard thing about this song is that we have to actually pay attention to the key signature here, and it's not in C major. This song is in G major, and it has an F sharp. So every single F that you see in the song actually has to be played as an F sharp instead of F natural. And the way we play F sharp is with our left hand thumb, 1, 2, 3, so first, second, and third fingers, and then right hand, not our first finger. We leave our first finger up in the air, and then we put down our middle finger and our third finger. So that's right hand, 2 and 3 only. Next, we have to think about who's playing what. So as it says in the title of this video, we're going to be learning this song as a duet. So that means there's 2 parts, so you can grab a buddy, and one of you can play part 1, and the other can play part 2. One of the parts is the lead line and one of the parts is the harmony. Usually the first part is the lead line and the second part is often the harmony part. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to focus on part 1. So we're going to gray out part 2 so we don't get distracted and just start learning part 1 at a medium pace. Alright, let's do it again a little faster. And one last time at full speed, but this time I'm going to take away the note names and fingerings on the right side of the screen so you can try to start learning how to play it just by reading the music. Alright, if you had trouble with any of that, I suggest rewinding to about 2 minutes into this video and start all over again, get more practice in, then you'll be ready to learn the harmony part. Okay, let's try part 2 at a medium speed. Alright, let's do it again, a little bit faster. And one last time again at full speed, and just like before, we're going to take away the recorder notes and fingerings so you can learn how to do it by reading the music. Alright guys, now is the time for you to grab your buddy and try to play both parts at the same time as a duet. And just like before, I'm not going to be putting the note names and recorded fingerings on the right side of the screen. I want you to try to learn how to read the music. Alright guys, that's it for today. Now remember, if you're having any difficulty, just rewind the video, watch it as many times as you need until you can play Lightly Row. And if you like this video, please hit that like button below because it helps me out a lot when you do. And if you want to subscribe for future updates, you can do that as well. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, if you're having any difficult... Blah. Blah. Blah.